Welcome to the MadLearn HCJ Builder tutorial. HCJ stands for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the three coding languages you'll use in this template. This template allows you to add more interactivity to your app, making screens more engaging, and you can add games, animations, quizzes, and more. Start by opening the HCJ Builder template. Notice how the editor for all three code sets is on the left. Give your screen a name and edit the title bar. Before going to the code set library, sample the variety of things that can be done by opening the demo app. Most of the buttons on this app's home screen match the folder titles in the MadLearn code set library. Let's look for a quiz to add to our app. There will be several examples for you to select from. Quizzes will usually need to be edited, which is an easy process. Let's say you wanted to use this as a template for your quiz about STEM. Return to the HCJ Builder screen and go to the code set library to find the quiz template you selected. For more on how to use the code set library to import codes into this template, see the code set library tutorial. Congratulations! Now you know how to use the HCJ Builder template. Good luck with your next template.